guys, hey, last couple weeks ago we got a Camaro in, hit on the driver's side, a lot of damage to the driver's side. The fender, the door, the pillar was damaged. We did an estimate on it, pretty high estimate. We got the insurance to cover everything on it. Customer was pretty worried because the insurance was denying a lot of things that needs to be repaired on there. You know, there was needed a new door, some brackets, it needed some clips, it needed a good body pull, it needed quite a bit of work on it. Got with the insurance, I kept on the insurance, finally got them to agree on everything to get repaired, and the car's about to get picked up today. I want to show you this car. Man, it's nice. You're gonna like this.